Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Hiware brand, that's H-I-W-A-R-E. Their 9-inch nonstick cheesecake pan, spring pan or spring form pan with a removable bottom section. It's a leak-proof cake pan, and this particular model does include 50 pieces of parchment paper, which is nice. You can line the bottom of it. Now, if you've ever used one of these before, they're really unique because they allow you to remove the bottom section quite easily, and you can see it right here, and it has a non-stick coating on there, and you just put this right in place like that, and then there's a stainless steel handle that you push this way, and then that's it. The thing locks in place, and it's sealed, so if you're putting cakes in there, cheesecake, any kind of batter, it stays in place quite nicely. Now, this allows healthy cooking because this coating is food grade safety coating with no harsh chemicals or hazardous substances. It's got a true double layer coating, allows the cake to be easily removed without damage. Now, I've had this for a couple of years, me and my wife, and it still works like new. The non-stick coating works really well. You can even spray it with some oil spray if you want, but you really don't need to most of the time. So that buckle is all stainless steel that I showed right there, and that's what's going to keep the tension on here so that this stays in place. This is oven safe up to 450 degrees, and most recipes are 350 to 400. So you'll be able to do all your favorite recipes on here, and you're going to just want to use this for a lot of different things. Now, we're going to be showing a recipe that's unique that we came up with, and it's using the spring form pan to hold. It's kind of like a homemade lasagna, but it's made with eggplant, vegetables, pasta, and you could use ground beef. We're going to be using a soy-based product in here, but we're going to show how to make that. It's going to be in fast motion, not to bore you, and we're going to show you the final result at the end. It comes out really delicious using the spring form pan. So what's my overall opinion about the Highwire brand, their 9-inch nonstick cheesecake springform pan? Well, as I mentioned, we've been using this for many years. It's still non-stick, still looks like new, and you can see it worked beautifully for that recipe, and it'll work for all your cakes and all your cheesecakes and whatever you want to put in there, all your breads, anything that you want to use this for that you're going to bake at 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you're all set. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.